Divide 45 by 2. So here we divide 45 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now this 0 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 5 and we can remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So now we put here decimal so that we can keep here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 45 divided by 2 we get 22 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.